你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial le. What's the initial sound? It's the consonant. There are 23 Chinese consonants in the Hanyu Pinyin system. Make sure you watch our previous videos so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter L in Pinyin, the pronunciation is le. It's like the L in the English word lead. When you pronounce the le sound, place the tip of your tongue at the back of your upper front teeth. Say le. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Le, 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 le. Pronunciation exercise for le sound. Let's combine the initial le, the final ah, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Le, ah, la. Repeat after me. Le, ah, la, 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 la. La is to pull in Chinese. Exercise for le sound. Let's combine the initial le, the final ow, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Le, ow, lao. Repeat after me. Le, ow, lao, 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 lao. Lao is to fish for in Chinese. Quiz time. When you see the English letter L in the pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is le. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.